Hi everyone, welcome back to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. This is Purnima ma'am. Today the topic I'm going to explain organic chemistry, nomenclature of bicyclo compounds. See how to name the bicyclo compounds. These are come under the polycyclic compounds. Like polycyclic means various number of cyclic compounds, not single one. So two or three types of compounds are combined, cyclic compounds will be present. Actually these are polycyclic compounds. Mainly polycyclic compounds are two types. One are the bicyclo compounds, another one is the spiro compounds. Today I am going to discuss about the bicyclo compounds. Okay, let us see what is meant by bicyclo compound. Before going to the bicyclo compound, we should know what is meant by polycyclic compound first of all. Compounds containing two or more fused alicyclic rings. Alicyclic is nothing but there is no aromaticity. Alicyclic, straight chain cyclic. Ali is nothing but aliphatic cyclic compounds, no aromaticity in those compounds. So those alicyclic rings are known as polycyclic compounds. These polycyclic compounds, poly term indicates the different types of the cyclic compounds, like means two or more can be attached. So these carbon atoms common to both the rings are called bridgehead atoms. A bond or a chain of carbon atoms connecting the two bridgeheads is called a bridge. Thus, a bridge may contain 0, 1, 2, etc. carbon atoms. Okay, let me explain that by taking one example. Suppose this is what the compound I am taking. In this compound, it is a 5-membered ring. Are you able to see the 5-membered ring? This is the 5-membered ring and this is the 3-membered ring. By combining these two carbons are there. By combining those two carbons are acting accordingly. So those two carbons, 1 minute, I'll change the color, then you'll understand the difference. So see these two carbons, these all are carbons only. These all are carbons. This is the bond line structure. But these two carbons are the bridges to these bridge head carbons to these two bridges. Understand? So this is called a three bridge carbon atom. This is called one bridge, means zero carbon. This is one carbon bridge and this is said to be the bridge head atom. Like that we can say. One more type also there. That is nothing but see these two are the bridge head. These two are the bridge head atoms. These two carbons are the bridges, carbon bridge. This is two carbon bridge. And in between the bridge head atom also one carbon bridge is present. So this is called bridge. That is nothing but number of carbons attaching that bridge head atoms. That is called a bridge, carbon bridge. Understand? So these are the terms. Bridge head atoms. See, now this is one, two rings are attached. These two rings in these two rings are combined to these two carbons. These are called bridge head carbon atoms. These are called bridge head carbon atom. Still this side is four carbons are there, this side is four carbons are there. These are said to be bridge carbons. These are said to be bridge carbons. If any carbon is present in between these bridge head carbon atoms are called the bridge carbons. Got it? Okay. Now, how to naming this compound? Let us see the naming of the compound by taking this as an example. Okay. Let us see. First one, first they have taken a 5-membered ring and then the 2-membered ring. So here three simple steps for the naming of the bicyclo compounds. First you have to give the numbering. That numbering you have to start with one of the bridgehead atom and you have to move towards the longer bridge. towards the longer bridge. That is nothing but here three more carbon atoms are there. Here only one carbon atom is there. So it is the long bridge. So I will move towards this side. First bridge head, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So 6 is nothing but it is called the hexane. It is a hexane, but it is a combining of two compounds, right? So you have to write the suffix hexane and prefix is bicyclo because it is a bicyclo compound. First one is the numbering. Second one you have to write bicyclo at the front, and a number of carbons indicating is at the end, at the middle, at the middle. How many number of bridge head atoms attached with the bridges is very important. Here, this bridge represents with the square bracket. Each bridge atoms will be separated with the full stop. That is nothing but see here 1, 2, 3. So in one bridge 3 are there, full stop. This side it is only one is there, right? This is one more. These bridge head atoms have one more bridge that is with one carbon. So one, between these two bridge head atoms there is no carbon, so 0, separating with full stop. You understand? I written in the decreasing order. So bridge atoms you have to write in the carbon bridge in the decreasing order, descending order. Descending order is nothing but big to small you have to write. Which has the more carbon bridge you have to write the first, then the smallest one, then the smallest one. All these bridge atoms should separate with the full stop and we have to keep it in the brackets. Now bicyclo 3, 1, 0 hexane. Bicyclo represents this compound representation, and hexane is nothing but 6 compounds are there, means 6 carbons rings. Total 6 carbons are present hexane, and this 3, 1, 0. This 3 is nothing but the first longest bridge between the two bridge atoms. 1 is the another bridge in the between two bridge atoms. 0 is no bridge between the bridge head atoms, right? This is the type 2 name of the bicyclo compounds. Let us see some examples by writing the bridge head compounds. This is what just I explained. I'll go for this example. So here you observe these are called bridge head atoms. This and these are called the bridge head atoms. These are called the bridge carbons. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 carbon bridge. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon bridge. And here no, this is called 0 carbon bridge. Between these two carbons, no, nothing. So this is called 0 bridge carbon. Let us see, start giving the numbering. Both any side you can give from towards the left or towards the right, because this side also 4 carbon bridge only, this side also 4 carbon bridge only between the bridge head atoms. So I'll take the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of carbons are 10. 10 are present, it is nothing but dec. All are single bonds only. So it will be the decane. Decane. And it is a bicyclo. Now we have to write the bridge carbons. So any side you can take. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 4 full stop, 4 full stop. Between these 1 and 6, nothing. Between this one there is no carbon, so 0. So you have to write in the descending order. Descending means big to small. Biggest bridge, then smallest, then smallest, then smallest, like we have to write. Got it? Now come to the next one. Here bicyclo is the common, so I am writing bicyclo at first. I am keeping the brackets also, and then I have to write the number of carbons first of all. See here, this is called the bridge head. This is called the bridge head carbon. So this side 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons are there. So these two are the bridge heads. No, this side also one carbon. This is also one carbon. Here is the three carbons are there. So I'll start numbering from the longest bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons are there. So total number of carbons are 7. 7 is nothing but hept. All are long. All are single bond. So it is heptane. Right? Now, numbers. See, longest descending order we have to write. See, first of all, between these two bridgehead atoms, here 1, 2, 3. 3 bridge carbons are there. So 3 full stop. Next 1, 1. So you can write anything. You can take 175 or you can take 165 because between 1 and 5, 2, 3, 4. Total 3 carbons I retain. Next between 1 and 5, 7 is only one carbon atom. And next between 1 comma 5, one more bridge carbon atom, that is the 6 number carbon. So that is 1. That one you have to write the 1. 3, 1, 1. So you have to choose the longest one first, then shortest, then shorter, then shorter. So you have to write in the descending order. So the name of this compound is bicyclo 3,1,1 heptane. You can write for this. So while choosing this, immediately it is a bicyclo compound. So you write it is as a bicyclo. Now see the number of carbons. This is one of the bridge carbon atom. This side two carbon bridge. This is also two carbon bridge and it is one carbon bridge. So you can give numbering from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is the 7 carbon. So we have a bicycloheptane. Now we have to write the carbon bridge in between the square brackets. Now this is the 2 carbon bridge. So 2 full stop. It is also 2 carbon bridge. 2 full stop. In between 1 carbon bridge. So 1. 2 to 1 heptane. Bicyclo 2 to 1 heptane. Now come to here. It is a bicyclo. So simply write bicyclo and number of carbon 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can give numbering from anywhere. I'll go for like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So total 8. So it is called octane, bicyclooctane. Numbers 2 bridge carbon, 2 bridge carbons, 2 bridge carbons, 2 bridge carbons. So descending order same will be 2, 2, 2. Bicyclo 2, 2, 2 octane. Got it? Now now the next one, it is also one of the bicyclo compound. By seeing that, don't get confusion. See here, these two are the bridge carbons. These two are the bridge carbons. So 1. This side one bridge carbon, this side one bridge carbon, this is also one bridge carbon. So you can take any like numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. So total 5 carbons means pentane. So in between you have to write in the square brackets. This side 1, it is also 1, 1. So descending order, no particular descending order because all are indicating 1, 1, 1. Now come to this compound. Bicyclo. 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 Start giving the numbering here. So this is 1. This side are 2. This is also 1. So I'll go numbering to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the two bridgehead, the two bridgehead atoms. 1, 4 are the bridgehead atoms. Between 1, 4, 2, 3. So 2 carbons are there. So it is a 2 carbon bridge. We have to write in the descending order first. Next 5, only one bridge. Next 6, only one bridge. Between 1, 4. 2, 1, 1. Number of carbons are 6. 6 means hex. All are single bonds. So hexane. Now come to this side. 1 is a bridgehead atom. These are two. These are two carbons. This is one carbon. So you can go according to the nomenclature rules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7. Now bicyclo square brackets number 7. No double bonds or triple bonds. So heptane. Now this is these two are the two carbon bridge. This is also there also two carbon bridge, and here only one carbon bridge, that is 1 2 to 1 bicyclo 2 to 1 heptane. So this is the nomenclature for bicyclo compounds. Once if you observe whatever the I have taken those, there is no additional functional groups, no substrates are present. Simply I have taken a simple bicyclo compounds. For this there will be the functional groups can be attached or any substrates can be attached. So how to naming those compounds can be seen in my next video. So keep on watching, please subscribe and like. And if you have any need a particular topic, please uh, let me know in the comments box. I'll take the topic. Okay, thank you, stay safe, stay at home.